Welcome to the Embassy Suites by Hilton here in Aruba. Today's video, we're going to show you all around the resort. We're going to show you the amenities. Of course, we're going to take you on a beautiful room tour. And then at the end, we're going to give you our 3 pros and 3 cons, and also our overall rating at this hotel. Okay, so let's talk about the resort in general. I love the pool here.
Oh my God.
It's absolutely amazing. Huge, lots of space all the way around, lounge chairs. You got the beds there as well.
The day beds, yeah.
It's absolutely great, and you can't mention this resort without mentioning also the breakfast that's included. For every single guest, the breakfast was great as well.
Absolute full breakfast, but yeah.
Make sure to bring those refillable bottles there, fill it up with juice, fill it up with water. You can have it for the whole day. The resort in general, the lobby and everything, very clean. It's a brand new resort, so I think that's all we can say about that.
I do have to add that the pool is open from, I believe it's 8 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. So,
huge plus.
You know, and it's heated. And they also have a massive, massive jacuzzi. It's unreal.
The Embassy Suites by Hilton here in Aruba. Let's talk about the room. Viv?
Okay, well, the room, of course, is newly renovated, so beautiful, comfortable, clean. The beds were perfection. I slept like a baby. Ample space in the bathrooms, the little wet bar, to the microwave, the drawers, everything that you need, and the balcony. It gives you views from either end, but of course we had our ocean view here on, you know, facing Palm Beach, and yeah, my take on that, it was phenomenal.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very comfortable. Loved the little kitchenette, and even the pull-out couch was great too. Hey, since you made it this far in the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, now let's talk about location. Now, not being on Palm Beach or on Eagle Beach, the Embassy Suites is actually located in between both, and not exactly on the beachfront, but the tunnel makes it very, very accessible and easy to get to.
Yeah, it is quite easy, just a hop, skip, and a jump. It really is. You can take a taxi to go to the main Palm Beach Strip, where most of the restaurants, shops, and everything else that you're looking for.
Easily accessible by cab for $7, or you can make the walk. It took us about 15 minutes to get there.
No, it wasn't too bad.
Now we've reached the section of the video where we are going to give you our 3 pros and 3 cons.
Okay, first con for me is the fact that there's not enough restaurant. They do have a little Starbucks or a little coffee shop by Starbucks.
Yeah, the grab and go is really nice. But again, yeah, that one brick house restaurant is not enough.
Yeah.
So con number 2. Location. We're not on the sand here, so you do have to take a tunnel across the street to go to that beach. They are working on it. I know they're doing a lot of improvements, but that would be con number 2 for us.
Number 3, Nick. Okay, you know, I'm actually kind of stumped.
I'll tell you exactly what number 3 is. So being a brand new hotel, there are some issues with some of the staff that may not know everything. I mean, we weren't told that you needed to use a key card to go up on the elevator. The staff was great though,
yes.
But that would be con number 3 for us.
Yeah, and just be patient. You're on Aruba time. It's not a big deal.
Here are the 3 pros of the Embassy Suites by Hilton in Aruba.
Number 1.
Go ahead.
How can you not love this pool?
The pool is amazing here. The hot tub is huge, and so many beach chairs and loungers all the way around.
It's heated, and the pool's open from 8 a.m. to 11:30 p.m.
That's the latest we've ever seen any of the pools open here in Aruba.
Number 2.
Okay, pro number 2
is?
It would be the fact that this hotel is brand new.
Exactly.
Everything is brand new. You get into your room, everything is new. It's not worn out. Everything is working relatively well. And if,
yes.
and if it's not, they're really attentive, and the service is great as well.
Excellent.
And now we're going to give you our pro number
3.
Okay, it's got to be the
breakfast, full breakfast.
Love it. Absolutely love it. It's included with everybody's stay here.
It really is a full breakfast, and you better be hungry for it, but it is of quality. So we highly recommend it, and that's why it is number 3 as a pro.
And now, finally, for our overall rating of the Embassy Suites by Hilton here in Aruba.
Yes. I'm giving this resort an 8. An 8 out of 10 for many positive reasons, but for, you know, not having it as a 10 or anything higher than an 8 is due to the fact that it is very limited on the restaurants and shops. I know it's new, but it was very limited, and I was expecting a little bit more.
Yeah. That's great. And you know what, Viv, I totally agree with you. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 as well. Again, for the restaurant reasons and for not being directly on the beach. But don't take this as a negative. This is a fantastic resort.
Incredible.
Well, that wraps up this video here. We thank you for watching. Again, we are Nick and Viv.
From Perpato with envy.
We ask you kindly to please give this video a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below if you've been here, and if you do like this content, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell for future videos.
It helps our channel grow, and again, thanks so much for everyone's support. We love you all, and we'll see you in Aruba.